Now the last button's over here. This one's a pretty easy one. Just if you and you want to select one of these guys here and move them, if by default it will move on all axis, you can actually click that once and it will just lock it to the keyframe time axis. Click it again and now that's locked it to the value axis, and we can click it one more time and now we're back to 4 mode. So that's a really easy one. We've also got the dope sheet, which we can have a look in here. I don't use the dope sheet at all, but you're welcome to come in here and try it out. It's coming from more of a 2D animation sort of workflow where all of your keys is not on a graph, they're just represented kind of like the timeline down here, but we just get every attribute that can be sort of broken up into different parts, and you can see that there. We've also got the animation mixer, which is more for doing mocap editing and things like that, and will get better and better in future versions of Maya, I'm expecting. So there's those two there, graph editor as well. So there you go guys, that's the whole shelf. We'll go through a couple more tools which are handy in the menus, a couple of hotkeys, and then we're pretty much done with the graph editor. All the fundamentals covered.